Hello everyone, welcome to my first Magento tutorial. Today I will be making a simple Hello World model for Magento 2 developers. Before starting on creating a model, we must have a basic understanding on Magento 1. In Magento 2, model structure, right? If you are a Magento 1 developer, it will be much more easy for you. But also there is complete change in Magento folder structures and the way how module resides inside the code pools. Yeah, in Magento 1 there used to be code pools where different modules used to be there in community, core and local. On Magento core files and folders used to be inside core pools, whereas the extension used to be in community pool, where as our local changes and local module creation only is to inside the local code pool, right? But in Magento 2, all modules are inside app code folder, right? Today I'll be making a module, Hello World module. So to be a module, there is to be a vendor name and module name. Okay, vendor name, normally vendor name are company name or personal name. So I'll write cyber as vendor name. Edit goes, sorry. Inside code cyber. Okay, this is my vendor name. Inside vendor name I'll make a module name called Hello World. Okay, fine. So first we define our module. To define our module, we make a configuration etc folder. Inside etc folder, we make a file called module.xml. Module.xml is a file where our module name is being first given. So inside module.xml there is a boilerplate code, XML code. So I'll copy it from other media. Okay, so this one is boilerplate code. Inside it, this should define our module name is vendor name is Sagar and module name is Hello World. And can give a version, set a version, tools. Let's say 1.0. Okay. Without registering, cannot do anything. First should register our module. To register our module, we have one PHP file called registration.php. Okay, say registration.php. We have a class called component register. Okay, component register inside vendor, inside a library. Okay, the instance will be called here vendor, and these all are libraries: Magento 2, Magento framework, component, and component register. Come with this class, we'll take this class. Okay, so the folder structure Magento framework method called register. Okay, to access register, this is how it says register. Okay. And a register method takes three parameters: type, component name, and path. Type will be this will be same. First parameter, second parameter will have model name, model vendor name underscore model name. Component name is vendor name is server, and model name will be okay. The third parameter is path, and that is directory. Okay, fine. Yeah, we have registered our model, but it's not completely registered. We have first we need, now we need to let's start our git base to register. We have a code. Normally in Magento to everything that we can do through code or backend or like that in Magento 1 we do through terminal. Okay, so php bin Magento setup upgrade. Let's see what happens here. Case cleared successfully. Updating our modules. Yeah, here you can see module sagar underscore hello world. Let's see inside our configuration file, not our module configuration file but Magento's configuration file. Inside etc config.xml you can see your module name. Yeah, 1 means it's enabled. If it was 0 it is disabled. Okay, now our module is enabled. Now go sagar. First we should make a router. You know what means router, right? Router is used to route the file that we are going to print, that we are going to show in frontend or backend. Today we will be doing for frontend only. Okay, for that let's make a router. Router is inside etc. We have two kinds of router, frontend and backend. Today we will be doing only frontend part. Okay, frontend. Yeah, frontend. Inside etc you have frontend and backend. Sorry, frontend and admin HTML folder. So our frontend router will reside inside frontend folder. Make a file called source dot okay. Inside routes.xml we also have the boilerplate code. I do not reside that. Okay, I'll just copy it from another source and this place here. Okay, so inside config node just router id goes standard. For frontend we write standard, for backend we write admin. Okay, and we define our route id. Okay, give a unique identifier for this hello, let's say hello, because our model name is hello. So let's give frontend name. It's similar to Magento 1. If you have done Magento 1 then you'll be quite familiar. Okay. What's frontend name? What's this frontend? So I'll give example, short example. Okay, for example, host, and my plugin is do. And the thing that will be after this root directory, for example, here hello world. This one is frontend name. Okay, so this is frontend name. Now we define our model to which the frontend, to which the route is being defined. Model name is vendor name underscore this one is our route is ready. So how this works, now we make a controller. Okay, inside hello module, let's make a folder name controller. In most one there is to be controllers, I guess. In Magento 2 there is only controller. It's a controller given one control action name called index. Okay, and give a class name called index.php. Okay, in Magento 2 we have a very good concept of namespaces dependency injection that was not in Magento 1. So namespace, it's nothing, it's just a path from our root directory to the class name. Okay, namespace is Sagar, as our model name is hello all slash controller Sagar hello controller, and then index. It shows the path of our controller class, right? Now define a class index. In Magento 2 our basic index frontend frontend controller class will extends Magento framework action, and then an action. Okay, I'll explain it what it does. Okay, so in Magento 2 there is a different class name for different action. For example, for there is index.php. This is just for one specific task. Okay, for example, if you have edit, then you'll have edit.php. if you have delete, then you have delete.php. for specific tasks, for every task there is different controller name, controller action, and there is, for in every action class, and in every class there will be a method called execute method, and that will execute that function and execute that. Okay, so let's see in Magento 2 there is our index class is being extended by Magento framework app action. Let's see, inside vendor library we have a Magento, and then framework, and then app, and then action, and then action class. Okay, inside action class we have a construct, we have a dispatch class, a dispatch function. Okay, and so there is a dispatch dispatch. So if our requested is being dispatched, then what really happened is the execute method is being called. So without any delay, I'll make a constructor public function diversity construct. Then I'll define a variable protected variable called $itself. Let's say result factory laser base factory. This one is a variable. Okay, what's the purpose of making this variable? We'll have a instance of one class. I'll show you the instance of one class, that is page factory class, that helps to render the page for our frontend route. Okay, so we have two dependency injection. This is dependency injection. Sorry, we have inside construct here. Inside construct two dependency injection, that is Magento framework add action text and then text. Okay, this is context is being used for different cases. For example, then we have object manager is used. So without context, the object manager cannot be used a case, and there is Magento. We have framework build result page factory. This page factory class, and this instance of page factory class is page factory. Okay, this one. Okay, inside this constructor, we just this will we can access the properties inside one class using this property. This result factory equals to the instance is result is factory. Okay, and let's call a parent constructor. Parent constructor. Okay, so this context instance can be passed inside our parent. Now inside public function execute. So execute. Let's say return test. If this works, let's see slash index. Doesn't work. There's no problem. Frontend zero. Routes direction element of the attribute frontend. The attribute frontend is not allowed inside routes.xml. Sorry. Standard route ID hello world. Oh, sorry, this is not frontend. This is font name. Let's clear the cache. Fair is okay. You can also clear cache using command cd space vpn case floss. Okay, this is floss the case. Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, page factory doesn't exist. Empty mistake. Okay, invalidated name. We'll do different thing here. Develop this. The same variable will access create function. This create function is inside the inside what is that instance? This is an instance of okay result base factory. Inside this base factory class there is a create method. Okay, and this create method will help to render the page. If you have knowledge about in Magento 1, there is to be page load layout or render layout. This does the same thing. Yeah. Now return color result page. Okay, fine. Now what we can do is let's close this. Now we move towards the view part. Okay, view part. Let's move towards view part. Folder view. Inside view we also have two folders, that is frontend and for frontend and admin. Today we will be doing for only frontend part. Frontend. Okay, inside frontend layout and tmp and tiers templates. Let's make one handler for this. New file called what will be handler? Hello world index.xml. Okay, for this layout handler XML file, there is also boilerplate code. Okay, I'll copy from somewhere else and copy here. And in this in Magento 2, the layout structure is completely different. We have a concept of container, reference container, block. There is not maybe in Magento 1. Yeah. So we have different controllers. Different containers. Can make our own container and we can reference the structure container given by Magento. So we have a content container. So we reference that. Okay. reference container name equals content. So now we call a block. So before this we must make a block. The process of calling a block is similar in from Magento 1, but there is a slight different. Okay, first we make a namespace. Namespace is a path to that block. Okay, space vendor name, sorry, and module name. Block. Define our class. Hello world. Now extends Magento framework. We'll extend the view template here. View element template. Okay, now write one dummy function, public function. Let's guess get text. Okay, just return it. Fine. Now you can access our blog here. Okay, before accessing the blog, let's make a template. Name called, let's say hello.html. And let's make yes one heading plugin inside this. Let's call that blog. Sorry. To call a blog, you can give this the functionality you have given function. So this handler, we have to define our block. Block class equals and path to that block is, this is similar as Magento 1. Yeah. So we call block hello equals hello or this template equals hello or the HTML okay, let's see in front end. This one is front name, right? We have defined in our front end browse. This front name is hello world, and index is, this is the action name. This action name is controller, this folder name is this, and then index dot this will be index dot hv. If you do not give it, it will take it automatically. Index. Okay, let's see if there comes any error. It's getting slow. Okay. Slower. Yeah. We get what we had expected Hello World. Okay. So here you can also give the module vendor name underscore module name. This cyber underscore what is our hello. Yeah, this is we lost our CSS, so you have to deploy once. Okay. Is it in deployment mode or not? Let's see. Okay, it's in deployment. You can deploy the static content, then you'll get the logo and all CSS. That's not a big deal. So yeah, it's a simple Hello World module tutorial. Hope you will like this, and if you have any suggestions, any comments, you can put below in comment box, and if you have any queries, let me know. And okay, I'll be coming with the next tutorial. Thank you. So likes and subscribe and share, you can do it. Thanks.